Ready in 9. Ready in 8. Ledger, back to your desk. Ready in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the focus question with your partner was, do you think the surface of the earth changes? Why do you think that? Who would like to share? Dylan. Do you think the surface of the earth changes?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, why do you think that? What would make it to change? Magical powers?
No.
Huh? Magical powers? Okay, magical powers have nothing to do with science, so I'm going to say no. Turn your chair around, please. Okay. Ledger, thank you for waiting patiently. What is your response? So yes, the surface of the earth changes through erosion, like water. Okay, Noah?
So, you know how volcanoes
Volcanoes?
form because of like lava,
Lava and magma?
water,
Uh-huh.
and then it like makes an island.
Uh-huh.
Like one time it was like a year ago, I was at my cabin and I was watching the news and Hawaii got a new island because of volcanoes.
Oh, okay. So the earth is changing, and you know that because our land creates new volcanoes throughout time?
Yeah.
Cool. Ariana. Dylan, put it
Okay.
down.
Yes, it does. I know that for a fact.
Yes, the surface of the earth changes for a fact. What are your facts?
I think it's because rain, snow.
Rain, snow, hurricanes,
And what was the other one?
earth,
I know.
earthquakes,
Yeah,
earthquakes. Okay, tornadoes, Noah.
So you know how rivers can make canyons?
Yes, rivers can make canyons.
Maybe rivers can.
So that's another way that
Yeah.
surface earth is changing through erosion and water. I like how all of our ideas are connecting together to answer the question. Dylan. Pirates? No, pirates do not cause the earth's surface to change. Okay, back over here. Okay, masks up. Ready? Okay, let's think about back to yesterday. So yesterday, what did we observe about landforms in the United States? So remember when we were looking at Google Earth and it showed us the big map of the United States? And it didn't show us like buildings and streets. What did it show us? It showed us the land.
And when you zoomed in, it was like cities and houses.
Thank you, Dylan, for raising your hand. It showed us the whole United States, and it showed us the land. Shh, Mohammed. And what else did it show, Dylan?
Everything trees.
It showed trees, a lot of green over here, right? And a lot of what over here?
Dry land.
A lot of dry land on the west side, right? And a lot of green land on the east side. Remember? Okay, good. Now we'll put your mask on, please. Okay, so what are landforms? Or if you want to explain what is not a landform. Yes, Mohammed?
Landforms are like
Land. That is.
we did that. We make our own land.
Like on our maps.
Rivers,
Rivers,
mountains.
mountains,
Oceans.
oceans. Anything that's not what?
That's not kind of human made.
Human made, right?
It's not human made.
Anything that
Human made.
human made. Let's be more inclusive of women and men. Human made. So anything that is not human made is a landform. right? Okay, so what are examples did we come up with? So Mohammed said mountains, rivers, volcanoes, oceans. Noah said canyons, mountains, trees.
Houses.
Okay. Not houses. Houses are human made. Okay.
Water.
Water is not a landform. It's just water. Okay. Let's move on. Thank you. I love how all of you are participating so well. Okay, so what patterns did you notice about mountains and rivers? Where were there a lot of mountains? Dylan? On the west side, right? Like Utah, Nevada, California. Where were there a lot of rivers? Do you remember where there was a lot of rivers? Dylan? The south? So below? Not really. There's kind of a lot of more rivers on the east side, okay? All right. Okay, next slide, ready? So here's some questions. Take some time to think about the following questions, okay? So the only wrong answer that you cannot say is, I don't know. Okay, so think about it. Ready? Are you on this slide?
Yeah.
Do you think that landforms on the surface of the United States have always looked the way that they do now on Google Earth? Do they always look like that? What do you think? Yes or no?
No, they won't always look like that. They'll change throughout time.
Put your mask on, Ledger. Okay, I want you to turn to your same partner. So Thomas and Mohammed, you are partners. Make sure you put your mask on, Mohammed. So talk to your partner about this question. Do you think that the landforms... I'm pretty sure he wants to be your partner. No? Okay, hold on. We'll talk about it. Okay, so turn to your partner. Talk about it. Do you think the landforms on the surface of the United States have always looked the way, that same way?
No.
You have 1 minute. Ledger's with Noah. Okay, talk about it. 1 minute. No or yes, and why do you think that? These are the groups that we need from you are so you two were like the last ones that
No, it says like, do you think
yeah, but
that
Sophia's not here today. Tomorrow you'll be with Sophia.
Oh yeah, it did
Right?
change.
Well, if Sophia comes tomorrow.
It did change.
Okay. So do you think the surface, the landforms on the United States always look the same? What they look like now?
No, always look like they look.
Oh.
Oh no, they not always.
So a long time ago, like maybe millions of years ago, they
No,
looked like that?
they've never looked. They've not always looked the same. No.
Okay. Oh, that's what you're doing.
I did read to him, but he didn't read anything.
Mohammed, put your mask on, please.
Oh,
Thank you.
Didn't you go like
Not right now. Okay, back to your seats. Ready? 5. Back over here. 4, 3, 2. Thank you. I didn't even have to get to 1. Okay, so what are some things that you shared? Give me a thumbs up if you think yes, the landforms in the United States always looked that way. Give me a thumbs down if you think no, landforms in the United States do not always look like that. Yes? No? Okay, almost, everybody's giving me a no. Okay, so give me a reason why. Raise your hand. Emma. Okay, I'm confused. So explain to me a little bit more. So did you say yes, the landforms on the surface always looked like that? Or did you say no, They do not always look like that? Okay, and why do they not always look like that? They're not all the same thing. Okay, Dylan? Okay. Alejandro? Oh, okay. Ledger? Okay. Noah, pull your mask up, please. So, are you saying that you've already learned about erosion and you already know that the land on the earth is constantly changing?
I learned about it now, and we're not great at my own school. It's really easy, and I don't want to do it.
Pull your mask up. Okay. So number 2. Ready? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Do you think the landforms on the surface of the United States will change in the future? Thumbs up, yes. Thumbs down, no. Do you think it will look the same in the future? Dylan, Noah, I'm waiting for you. Number 2, yes or no? Thomas, number 2, yes or no? In the future, you think that it will look the same? Oh, no, so thumbs down.
In the future, they won't look the same.
Okay. I agree too. I think no, they will not. The landforms on the United States will not always look the same.
Oh, that's not
Because of what? Ledger?
like I said again,
Erosion. Good.
There's gonna be flying houses.
Ariana?
There's 2 ways that it changes. It's from humans and
From humans and from natural causes, right? So natural causes like erosion, earthquakes, volcanoes. So human causes would be
land,
building,
and
destroying things,
trash.
littering.
Trash. You don't need to
Okay, focus back over here. All right, ready? Make sure you're on this slide. Got it? Give me a thumbs up when you notice that you're on this slide. Summarize what we've learned so far.
Am I the only one?
Are you on this one?
I think they're in different orders. Are they?
I hope it's the same. Okay.
This one's on number 14.
In your science slides, write a summary of what we've observed and learned so far. So use words in your summary: landforms, use mountains, use valleys, rivers, lakes, etc. So you can say canyons. What else did we say? We said rivers, mountains, canyons. What else did we say? I can't remember anymore. Okay, and then explain whether you think the Earth's surface changes over time, why or why not. So start with this one. Try to do 2 or 3 sentences to answer the first part, okay? Write a summary of what we've observed. So I would start by saying, someone had to get your lined paper. Is it still on the desk?
No, I looked that up. I was trying to make the heart.
Oh, okay. You want to get another one from my purple bin? Yes, Ariana?
You know those save the trees things we did before?
Uh-huh.
We literally did it on paper that was a dead tree cut down.
That is true. We should have used recycled paper.
Do I have to write that?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay. So in science, I have observed that.
I'll just come up.
In science, I have observed that landforms are, there's your sentence starter. So I want you to finish this sentence and then add one more sentence about something that you learned so far. Please, and thank you. I will come help you, really.
Excuse me, Miss Tapia. I need help. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, did you finish that sentence?
Yeah. So, I'm going to show you first game will be the Victoria. And yours, are you trying? Oh, of course, slide my name called driver. I'm going to climb the leader of and I'm going to try and science.
I have observed that last
Of course I can. What about you?
So, what did we say landforms are? What did you say?
Mountains,
Mountains,
rivers,
rivers,
lakes.
Noah said canyons. Do you want to add canyons too?
Yeah, and oceans.
Canyons. Let's leave oceans off for now. We can say islands. Islands.
That's so funny.
I don't know, but I don't think it's funny.
That's just the sound.
Period.
Bodies of water. Stop, Thomas. Dang.
Okay, so let's say I also learned, I also learned that.
So I also
learned that, comma. Oh, I spelled learned wrong. N-E-D. I also learned that landforms are anything that is not human made. Like houses and buildings.
Wait, landforms anything that's not human made?
So landforms, I learned that landforms are,
Can't see.
I also learned that landforms are anything that is not human made. Thank you for correcting me, Mohammed. Like houses.
That doesn't make sense.
Like houses and buildings. You could also put roads, paved roads, like houses and buildings, period. Okay, so you should have two sentences, something like this for your first response. And then your second response is explain whether you think the Earth's surface changes over time and why or why not. So I think, click the undo button, Thomas. I think that Earth's surface so then you need to say will, or you need to say will not change over time.
Kind of sounds like houses. Got it. So your last one. Wait, what? I should say why. What the?
This looks like a V. That better? Okay, keep typing, Dylan. Yes.
I think that okay, that this will change over time, like Antarctica, Magnolia, and where am I supposed to put that? I keep Earth's surface.
So put that on the same piece. So you need to finish it. So I think that Earth's surface, so do you think it will or it will not change over time?
You'll need
Okay, so put, I think that Earth's surface will change
over time.
Okay.
Okay, then. I'll put my name. Ariana.
Yes, I know.
Have you ever got a victory royale? Yeah, me and
Finish. Dylan, don't get distracted. Come on. Okay, so I am not finishing this sentence because I'm not going to put my opinion. I need you to put your opinion. So do you think that Earth's surface will, or do you think that Earth's surface will not change over time? And give one reason why. So because blank, blank,
because it
blank.
hasn't changed in years.
Has it changed? You could even talk about Island of Sorrow. Yeah, Puerto Rico. Okay. So now, next slide, ready? So it says, what causes changes to the Earth's surface? So let's write it out again. So what was one reason? Say them out. Say them out loud.
I don't have any things. Like 215.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
Maybe.
So I should write.
If you don't have the slide, it's okay. You'll just help me fill it out up here, okay?
Why to write
Ledger, what was one reason you said?
because of
Erosion. What's another one? What's another one? Dylan?
land.
Earth's surface. So how does it change because of land? Explain to me. Okay, think about it and I'll get back to you. Noah. Volcanoes. Volcano explosions. Volcano explosions or eruptions. Dylan, do you have it now? Did you remember it now? What is it? Earthquakes. What else? How do canyons get?
Water.
Rivers.
Ocean.
Rain. Rain falling. So rain. Anything else? Anything else? What about in Island of Sorrow? Hurricanes.
That's the same as rainfall. Hurricane Maria. No.
Hurricane. Dylan? Hurricane, huracan, tornado. Okay, tornadoes. Anything else? Okay, thank you, Noah, for typing it in. Thank you, Mohamed, for writing it down. Thank you, Alejandro, for typing it in. Okay, you have 1 minute on this slide. Type them all in quickly. So find this one. It says, what causes changes to the Earth's surface? Hold on.
I didn't realize we were on this one. I thought we were on this one. I can't type.
Oh, there it is. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Thomas.
Alright, I'm done. I'm getting all twos. I know that. I'm definitely getting all twos. No, what just happened? And I'm getting a bonus, I can tell. What happened? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. No, I didn't. I'm typing like no, like I wanted to type. I told you. See, crazy.
Okay, got them all down? Okay. Okay, so day 3 we will do tomorrow, okay? Or not tomorrow, Thursday, sorry. Got it? Okay.
Yes, got all twos today.
Got them all in? See? You did do it.
Bonus.
All right. As soon as you're done with that,
Should I go to room for the
you can finish it in 5 minutes. Okay. Let me finish